Hey guys, how to use X-Ray on Amazon Prime Video. So if you're using a TV or streaming device, just begin playing the movie or TV show on Amazon Prime, right? And then basically what you gotta do next, you gotta just go ahead and while the content is playing, press the pause button on your remote. The X-ray information should automatically appear. Use the arrow keys on your remote to navigate through the X-ray information. You can see who is currently on screen, explore details about the cast, and learn more about the episode or movie. And if you're using mobile device like iOS or Android, launch the app and select the content that you want to watch. Begin playing the video. Tap the screen to bring the playback controls. Tap on the X-ray button, often represented with an eye for information. Scroll through the information provided, which might include the cast details. All right. The X-Ray feature is available for most movies and TV shows on Prime Video, but not all content may support it. If you want to view specific information, such as music, you might need to navigate through the different sections of X-Ray. That's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching.